Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do half stitch. So here is my yarn that I'm going to use, and here is my crochet hook that I'm going to use. It's number 3. So to begin, I'm going to put my yarn this way, then I will pass my hook inside, then I put it all over my finger. I begin with a chain, so that's my chain. Then I'm going to walk all over it again. So coming back, that's the yarn on the hook. I'm just going to come back through the next stitch to make a half stitch. That's it. Pass through. That's it. Half stitch. Yeah. And whenever you are making your chain, always try to make it not too tight and not too loose, so that when you are coming through the chain, your crochet pin will be able to pass through. So that's my first line of my half stitch. I'm coming back on the second line. So this, I put my needle in and I take. Always try to make sure that on each hole you try to put just one single stitch inside, because if you put more, it's going to make the shape of your thing to be too big. So that's it. I'm on the other side. I'll come back the next side. I make my one chain there, then I come through this hole. You see? When I reach this stage, I have to put one here. I will go over it the last time. I make a chain, I come back, I skip this first and I put to the next. When you reach here, make sure you put one on this last side. So as you can see, this is going up, then the last, I come back a chain, I skip this and I put to the next, half crochet, half crochet, so I'm here, I have to put one here. So that's it guys. So the last stitch, you come back. Always make sure when you are coming back always try you don't put it here. Reason why, when you put it here, the shape of what you want to do, it's not going to be straight. It might open or it might become too small like that. So you always keep this first part, you put to the next. That's very, very important for those that are still learning. You have to note that down. So when you reach here, you have to put one on this side. So that's it. As you can see, this is my half stitch. You can see how it has gone up straight. So please don't always forget, when you start here, you have to skip the first hole here, you skip it, then you put to the next. When you reach here, you put on the final ending. Thank you all guys. Thank you all guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all for watching.